Hi, I'm Donal, Product Manager at Distology for a dental application called Clinux by CAD. CAD run a successful business in Europe and the US selling intraoral scanners. These scanners generate a 3D model of the patient's jaws. The dentists then need an application, a CAD software, to create a range of dental procedures such as night guards or crowns, which is where we come in. CAD approached us as they had identified a gap in the market for an affordable CAD platform with a simple SaaS model. Affordable is the key word here, as the market for CAD applications is dominated by expensive legacy systems, which represent a significant investment for the average dental practice. Therefore, we began working on Clinux, the world's first cloud-based 3D CAD platform that runs in the browser, allowing dentists to work from anywhere with no setup costs. The traditional way of creating a crown was a lengthy and costly process involving a bite impression that needs to be sent to a lab before it is then returned and is ready to be fitted to the patient. With Clinux, treatment time is vastly reduced as we can scan the patient's jaw, create the restoration in Clinux before it is then sent to be 3D printed in the dental practice. A process that used to take weeks can now be completed in just a few hours, at a significantly reduced cost, not just to the dental practice, but also to the patient. We're also building the application to be printing and scanning vendor agnostic, meaning we're integrating with a broad range of printing and milling machines, which we see as a key differentiator for the application going forward. Indeed, of the roughly 1 million dentists in the EU and the US, only 10% currently use an intraoral scanner. Of these, only 10% use a CAD platform such as Clinux, and we know that this market is going to grow significantly in the coming years. We knew from our early workshops that for the majority of users, Clinux will be the first time that they've ever used a 3D CAD platform. The onboarding experience was therefore crucial, so we created guided workflows on how to set up Clinux properly. Once the setup is complete, we guide the user step by step through the sample cases, which allows dentists to get going early and start working on their design skills. The platform also supports B2B and fully white-labeled use cases, allowing for full solution flexibility and increased ROI. Finally, there is no reinventing the wheel when it comes to dentistry. So once we can support the most common dental procedures in Clinux, the key differentiator will be integrating with other platforms. As an example, we are currently integrating with practice management software with the aim of being able to automatically generate a patient invoice when a dental procedure is carried out in Clinux. As a team, we review the user stats and analytics each week. We set targets for monthly active users, and the insights that we get from analytics also drive the roadmap. Although the project is still in its very early phase, we see positive signs in the numbers, with monthly active users, adoption, retention, and engagement metrics all moving in the right direction. Reach out to me or any of the rest of the team to arrange a scoping session for your next project.